how to add a YouTube link to your Instagram bio. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can add either your YouTube channel or a YouTube video straight in your Instagram bio. Now, the first step is you just need to open up YouTube on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account, and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand side. You can then click on View Channel. Now, once you're on your channel, you can click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right-hand side. You can then click on Share, and then we can press Copy Link. Now, you can also go and share a link directly from one of your videos as well. And once you've done this, just go and open up the Instagram app. Now, once you're on Instagram, click on Edit Profile from your profile page. You can then click on Links, click on Add External Link, and now go and paste in the URL that we just copied. You could then go and give this a title. So you could call this something like YouTube, or if you're sharing a link to one of your videos, you could put something like check out my latest video, and then finally press done in the top right-hand side. And as you can see, we now have this YouTube link in our Instagram bio. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.